हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंग्लिश शॉर्ट एंड क्लासेस। तो आज हम क्लास 15 की वॉल्यूम 4 करेंगे। एक्सरसाइज 56। गेट रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। मैडम चेयरमैन, आई एम ग्लैड दैट वी आर हैविंग ए डिबेट ऑन द यूरोपियन कॉमन मार्केट स्टॉक. I wish that it had taken place earlier. Stop. Had Parliament been in session when the Minister of Aviation of the UK visited Delhi, it would have had an opportunity for arming government with its views, thus helping it in formulating the statement, but at any rate indicating to the world at large that Parliament is fully behind the Finance Minister in the statement that he has made. Stop. The statement that has been made by the Finance Minister is admirable both in content and in tone. Stop. The problems that face as a result of the emergence of the common market of Europe cannot be bypassed. Stop. Whether we like it or not, the failure is with continental economies, and the emergence of the European common market of Europe is one of the steps in this direction. Stop. No one can deny the stakes that we have in the matter of entry of the United Kingdom into the common market of Europe. Stop. I have done some research into the actual position of our trade, and I think it would perhaps help the House to estimate the magnitude of the problem that is facing us. Stop. We are importing 35% of our imports from Western Europe, including UK. Stop. We are exporting about 40% of our goods to this area. Stop. We have a large interest in the outcome of UK's entry into the common market and the terms on which she proposes to enter into the common market. Stop. In the present circumstances, we cannot visualize what the terms will be. Stop. But we know that our stakes are great, and we have already indicated our deep interest in the terms which the UK would be able to negotiate. Stop. But having made our standpoint clear, it would be unbecoming of us to do anything else except to be prepared for all eventualities. Stop. I want the House to realize that while undoubtedly this is a great challenge, we ought to be prepared and not content ourselves with giving expression to certain views which might give the impression to the outside world that we are in a state of panic. Stop. To suggest, for instance, that the pattern of our trade should be changed overnight is not realistic. Stop. A changeover in trade is no solution. Stop.